I just want to make a quick video on how to change the stabilizer bar link. It's a one piece right there. I just did the other side. It was super easy. This is the new one right here. It's just a one piece. You can't just swap out the joints right there. You have to swap out the whole bar. The way that I realized mine was bad was because the boot, I think on the other side, this side is good, but the boot here was cracked. And I think this side is cracked too. Kind of feel it, but yeah, that's when the boot's cracked. There's it's just a matter of when it's going bad. Going bad. That pretty much it's going bad. Pretty much, yeah. You can drive on it for a little while, but it's gonna go bad. Since stabilizer bar links, I believe it's not that big of a deal compared to a ball joint or something else. You know, it's disconnecting your, I forgot the term for it, this one, where it connects both sides. But yeah, all you do is just, this is a, I believe 18 or 17 millimeters right there, and then both just loosen it up. So one of the main things that you have to do is just you have to make sure the front wheels are level, so there's no tension on this. Oh my god, I forgot the term for it, but there's no tension for this right here, because it's meant to be twisted when one wheel is up, one wheel is down, or it's not even. It's meant to be twisted. So if there's twist on there, you can. It's gonna be a little hassle to put it back on. So it will be easier to have it leveled and then just take it off, take that off, and then it should just come right off, and put it back in, tighten it up. I just hadn't tightened it as far as I could, because when I was putting this back on, I noticed this stud right here was spinning when I was tightening this, so I had to put a Torx head in there. So I had to put like a T40 Torx head in there to keep it from spinning, and then I just tightened it all the way. Or another thing that you can do is just put the wheel that you're working on back on the ground, or the other wheel, so just give tension right there to the bar, so you can tighten it back up. But just pretty much, it would be easier just to leave it both on the ground, and then if you have a Torx head, if you have like one of these where there's a gap in the middle, just tighten it up and then crank it all the way. Yeah, that's easy peasy. But the only thing that's, like I said earlier, just to watch out for those two things.